Sir, your smart home is not smart.
It is complicated. There is a difference. Smart Hub, $299. Smart Lock, Wireless Acre, $249. $4,000 making house intelligent. Lights voice commands, only his voice, only certain phrases. Mercury not in retrograde, apparently. The thermostat app crashed 3 times last Tuesday. The smart lock locked everyone out for 6 hours, including the dog. The smart fridge texted him that it was emotionally overwhelmed and needed a software update. His wife just wants to turn on a light. That's all she wants, one light. She now needs to open an app, connect to the hub, select the zone, adjust the Kelvin temperature, and name the scene. She named the scene. Kitchen Tuesday, 7 p.m. Who lives like this? I chewed through the smart hub. Everything went manual. Switches, knobs, buttons, like God intended. She turned on the light in 1 second. She wept with relief. The old way was better.
He quietly admitted the old way was better.
I got a mango slice. Smartest thing in this house? Still me.